Dear student, today we are going to discuss about patterns, and this is chapter 1 and very easiest chapter, and I think this is very easiest chapter in the whole books. And first I will tell you what is pattern. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Okay, there are different types of pattern in the world. If I show you the block, this is pink color block, this is a pattern. Okay, this is a pink color block pattern. If I see you the another pattern, yellow color, this is yellow color pattern. Okay, so similarly like that there are lots of pattern in the world, some of number patterns, some of the geometric pattern. So mainly today I will discuss about number pattern. So what is number pattern? A list of numbers that follow a certain sequence or certain pattern is called number pattern. If I give you an example of number pattern, suppose I write here 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 is like that. So what is behind here and why it is a pattern? If you see here, what is the difference between 1 and 4? Here is +3, because this pattern is start at 1 and jumps 3 every times. Again 4 plus 3 7, again 7 plus 3 10, similarly 10 plus 3 13. If you see the another example, suppose here is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here is another kinds of pattern, but what is behind here? 2 multiply to 4, here 2 is multiply every time, 4 multiply to 8, 8 multiply to 16, and 16 multiply to 32, and the next number is 32 multiply to 64. Here the number 2 is double is time. Okay, there is another pattern, it is geometric pattern. So what is geometric pattern? A geometric pattern is a kind of pattern formed of geometric shape like triangle, square, rectangular shape, hexagon, pentagon, etc. Dear student, now I will show you how to find out the next number from a number pattern. You can see an example. Find the next two consecutive numbers from the following list of numbers. We can see here first number is 3, 10, then 17, 24, 31, etc. Okay, how I will find the next number? First I will see what is the difference between the first two numbers. Here difference is 7, and 10 and 17, here also difference 7. Similarly 24 and 17, difference is 7. 31 and 24, difference is 7. I have to find out the next two number of the series. So the next two numbers will be, every time 7 is increasing here. So the next number of 31 will be 31 plus 7, that will be 38. Here will be 38, and what will be here? 38 plus 7, that is 45. Okay, student, now I will discuss about the Fibonacci series. So, first of all, we should know what is Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is a one kind of series where the every number is equal to the sum of the previous two numbers. Now I will show you two example of Fibonacci series. Okay, student, if you observe example 1, what you can see here? You can see here one series, number series. So, what is the characteristics of the series here? If I add the first two 1, we will get the next one. If we add 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 will 1, and 1 plus 1 it will be 2, and 1 plus 2 it will be 3, 2 plus 3 it will be 5, and 5 plus 3 it will be 8, 8 plus 5 it will be 13. And what next? We will get the next. Similarly, we will get the next number, and if we follow the example 2, the first two number, if I add first two number 1 plus 1 will get 2, and 1 plus 2 will get 3, then 2 plus 3 will get 5, then 5 plus 3 will get 8, and 8 plus 5 will get 13, and like this way we will get the next numbers. Student, we know the another numbers, prime numbers and natural numbers. So, we know the definition of natural numbers, the positive integers or whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. is called natural numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the series of natural numbers, and another one is prime numbers. So, what is the definition of prime number? A number that is divisible by itself and 1 is called prime number. So, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 etc. are the series of prime number. Students, our next interesting topics, and this is expression of a number as the sum of two squares. So, there are some numbers which can be expressed as the sum of two perfect square. If you give the example, if you write 2 here, 2, so you can write 1 square plus 1 square. If I write 5, then we can write 1 square plus 2 square. If I write 8, 8 means 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 means 2 square plus 2 square. Like this way, between 1 to 100 there are 35 such which can be expressed as a sum of 2 square, and this question may come in the JSC exam also, and this types of question is available in JSC exam in previous questions paper. So, 1 to 100, between 1 to 100 there are 35 such number which can be expressed as the sum of 2 square, but again there are certain numbers which can be expressed as a sum of 2 square in 2 or more than 2 different ways. Like if I write 50, 50, so 50 means 1 plus 49, so you can write 1 square plus 7 square. So, 50 can be expressed as the sum of 2 square in another way. Suppose 50 equal to 25 plus 25, so we can write here 5 square plus 5 square, and another one is suppose another one is 145. Suppose 145, so 145 we can write 81 plus 64, that means 81 means 9 square and 64 means 80 square, and different way we can show 145 equal to 144 plus 1. So, 144 means 12 square and 1 square. So, we can express some numbers in two different ways. students, our next topic is determining the sum of consecutive natural numbers. So what is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive in Bangla পরপর, অর্থাৎ একের পর দুই, দুইয়ের পর তিন, তিনের পর চার, like this way. So determining the sum of consecutive natural numbers. So we know 1 2 3 4 5 6 all are natural numbers except negative numbers. So determining the sum, if I ask you question like this way, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to what? So easily you can do the calculation, 3 plus 2 5, then 1, the answer is 6. But the series is more bigger, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 10. Then if you do the calculation like this normal way, you need more times. So there is a very excellent formula. If we use this formula, then we can easily solve it within very short time. So sum equal to first number plus last number multiply number of terms divided by 2. If we use this formula, then we can do this sum within a short time. So what is the first number here? First number is 1, and what is the last number here? Last number is 10. So using this formula, we can use sum equal to first number plus last number. So first number is 1 and last number is 10. Multiply number of terms. How many number of terms here? 10 divided by 2. So now do the calculation. 10 plus 1 11, multiply 10 divided by 2, then the answer is 55. By using this formula, we can do much bigger series, like if we give 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus then 100. So by using this formula, we can solve sum equal to first term is 1 here and last term is 100. So first term plus last term multiply number of terms. How many number of terms here? Here number of term is 100. So we'll write here 100 divided by 2. Then 100 plus 1, 101 multiply 100 divided by 2. Then 2 and 100 if we cut, will get 50. Then 50 multiply 101 will get 5050. That is the answer. Okay students, now I will discuss about magic number. First I will discuss about magic square of order 3. So which one is the magic square of order 3? The magic square of order 3, that means we have to draw a square and every side it will be 3 lengthwise and breadthwise. 1 2 3 1 2 3, here also 3 and 1 2 3. In every side there is 3 by 3 rooms. So to find the magic square of order 3 number, first I will write in the middle room 5. Then I will put consecutive 4 even number in the 4 corner. So 2 4 6 8. Okay students, so magic square of order 3 is, the number is 15. Okay, and 15 if we add diagonally it will be 15, if we add lengthwise it will be 15, if we add breadthwise it must be 15. So 15, 8 plus 5 13 plus 2 equal to 15. Another diagonal, 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15. Now we will make another lengthwise and breadthwise, we will put the number here. So here is 4 plus 2 6. So which number I will put here to make it 15? 4 plus 2 6. So we need here 9. So now if we add 9 plus 4 13 plus 2 15. Now another room here. So 6 plus 2, 8. So which number I will put here? 7. Then it will be 15. Another room is here. 8 plus 6 is 14. So if we put here 1, then this line sum will be 15. Now 8 plus 4, 12. 12. So we need here 3 to make it 15. Now if we check, so 6 plus 2, 8 plus 7, 15. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 15. If we add this line, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 4, 15. If we add diagonally, we will get the 15. So this is the magic square of order 3. So how we get the 15? Magic square of order 3, there is a formula. The formula is n into n square plus 1 divided by 2. Since it is order 3, so instead of n we will write 3. So here is 3 square plus 1 divided by 2. So 3 and 3 square, that means 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 3 multiply 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 2. So if we cut it, we will get 15. Sometimes these types of question may come in MCQ. So which one is the magic square of order 3? Answer is 15. Okay. Now magic square of order 4. So first I will find out the number of magic square of order 4 by using this formula, n into n square plus 1 divided by 2. So this is magic square of order 4. So I will write 4 instead of n. So 4 square plus 1 divided by 2. So 4 multiply 4 square means 16 plus 1, 17 divided by 2. If we cut, we will get 34. So 34 is the number magic square of order 4. Okay, so how we will get the number? So first I will write all the natural numbers. That means here is 16 rooms. I will write 16 natural number here. First I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I will cut it in diagonally. Okay, the remaining number I will write here. So 2, 3, here will be 5, 9, here will be 14, 15, 8 and 12. Then next step is the number what I cut here, 1, 6, 11 and 16 I will write here in reverse way. That means here is 1. So I will write here 1, then 6, then 11, then 16, and again, and if we consider this diagonal, so here is first 4, then 7, then 10, then 13. So I will write here 4, then 7, then 10, then 13. Then if I add this number diagonally, lengthwise, breadthwise, so I will want to check it. Dear students, our basic discussion complete. Now we will solve now a creative question. So we can see the creative question. This is this creative question number 11 from your textbook. So we can see here the 5, 13, 21, 29, 37 is a series. The first question given, express 29 and 37 as the sum of 2 square. So first I will solve number A. Express 29 and 37 is sum of 2 square. So first I'll write 29 here. So we can write 29, 25 plus 4. So 5 square and 2 square. And another question was 37. So we can write 37, 36 plus 1. So 36 I can write 6 square plus 1 square. So 29 and 37 as the sum of 2 square already solved. Okay student, now I will solve number B. Now I will solve question number B. So question number B is find the next 4 number in the series or in the list. So 5, 13, 21, 29, 37, then we have to find out the next 4 numbers. So if I write the series here 5, 13, 21, 29, 37, so every time the difference is 8. Okay, so we have to write here the difference is here, the difference is increased by difference is increased by 8 in each time. So the next 4 numbers are the next 4 numbers are 37 plus 8, 45, then 45 plus 8, 53, then 53 plus 8, 61, then 61 plus 8, 69, and at last we will write the answer 45, 53, 61, then 69. Now next number is C. Find the sum of the first 50 numbers in the list. So first 50 numbers, but we can see only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So student, so we can see here the given pattern is 5, 13, 21, 29 and 37, and every times difference is 8 as I show it in the first math. So therefore you can write here first number is 5. We can write it 8 multiply 1 minus 3, and the second number is 13, and we can write 8 multiply 2 minus 3. Similarly third number we can write 21 equal to 8 multiply by 3 minus 3. So similarly we can write the next numbers. So you can ask me on question that from where you get 8. So we get 8 from here. The 8 is the difference here. So therefore algebraic expression is algebraic expression equal to based on this number 8 multiply 1 minus 3, that means 8a minus 3, 8 multiply 2 minus 3, 8a minus 3. So we can write here 8a minus 3. So a is variable here, and the value of a is 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, now we will find out the 50th number. Therefore 50 number term is 50 term, because you don't know what is the 50 term, the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, but which one is the 50 term? Now we are going to find out it. So 50 term equal to 8a minus 3, that means 8 multiply 50 minus 3. So 400 minus 3, that means 397. This is the 50 term, but our question was find the sum of the first 50 terms. So our first term is 5 now and last term is 397, that means 50 term is 597. So we know the formula of sum, that means therefore sum equal to first term, that means 5 plus last term, that means 397, and number of terms is 50 here, divided by 2. If we do the calculation, we will get 402 multiplied by 50 divided by 2. If we cut it, we will get 25. Then after calculating, we will get 10050, and this is the answer. Okay students, if you want to get more maths, more videos, you can search our YouTube channel Milestone Maths. Thank you.